Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Fish Nirvana easy guide. Begin by selecting fresh, firm fillets and rinse them under cold water, then pat dry and season lightly with salt, pepper, and lemon. Preheat the oven or pan to medium-high heat, oil lightly, and cook until opaque and flaking, about 3-5 minutes per side for thin fillets. Serve with a bright herb sauce or lemon wedges for contrast. A gentle marinade can lift flavors without overwhelming delicate fish, so I recommend light oil, garlic, and herbs with a touch of citrus. For thin fillets, only marinate 10 to 20 minutes. For thicker cuts, 30 to 45 minutes is fine. Pat the fillets dry before cooking to ensure a good sear and texture. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon to brighten every bite and enhance the natural flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is the Kindle Paperwhite, which is great for reading recipes anywhere and keeping hands-free while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one or gift ideas. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pan searing is quick and rewarding, so heat a heavy pan until hot and use a splash of oil for a golden crust. Baking is forgiving, so preheat to moderate heat and check for flake and opacity. Grilling adds lovely smoke. Oil the grates and watch for flare-ups while cooking over medium heat. Use a thermometer if you like, aiming for a moist interior and a clean, flaky texture for ideal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.